Hey everyone, welcome back to the Clueless Dad. I got the Clueless Son here with me too. Today we're going to do a quick video disassembling the Stokke Sleepi. The in-laws are coming and we got to make space. And I really don't like this thing anyway. If you've seen my other videos about assembling it and also lowering it, I point out all kinds of problems with the design. Let me get him out of the way and then we'll take it apart. Ready, set, go. Whoops. Too strong. Too strong. Thank you. Mama? Come on, okay, Mama. Okay, so that's it. That was pretty easy actually. Main thing is you gotta flip it over, upside down, and then just take all the bolts out. And the more I deal with it, the more I'm glad I'm getting rid of it. And so it actually turns out this thing is made in Romania. So nothing against Romania, but I don't like this product. So last but not least, my son just turned 1 year old. And his channel is also 1 year old as of the time I'm filming this. So thanks everyone for your support, and Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, Kwanzaa, you name it. So thanks again for everyone's support in this last year, and see you in 2018, and happy holidays, Merry New Year, etc. See you, bye.